Ever spent hours setting up your Shopify store only to hit a brick wall when it's time to accept payments? Like, cool, I've got products, I've got a logo, but wait, how do people actually pay me? Yeah, I've been there. Trying to connect Razorpay to Shopify, I can feel weirdly more complicated than it should be, but don't stress. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. All right, so here's the deal. Razorpay is one of the best payment gateways if you're selling in India, but Shopify doesn't let you add it as a direct payment provider anymore. But wait, we can still make it work using Razorpay as a third-party payment option via manual payments or a custom integration. Here's the easiest way. Step 1, go to your Shopify dashboard, then click Settings, then Payments. Step 2, scroll down to Manual Payment Methods and click Add Manual Payment Method. Step 3, choose Custom Payment Method and name it something like Pay via Razorpay. Step 4, in the additional details box, paste your Razorpay link. You can generate one from Razorpay dashboard using the Payment Links feature. Pro tip, use Razorpay's Smart Payment Link option. It auto-detects UPI, cards, net banking, all that jazz. So yeah, it's not plug and play, but it is doable and it's free. Once you've got it set up, you'll finally stop getting those "how do I pay" DMS from confused customers. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff Shopify tips.